excited. This is probably the most fun challenge that we've done so far. This is going to be a 12 days of Christmas challenge, which means that for 12 days you will have 12 videos of 12 songs for the holidays so that you can play either for yourself or for somebody else or for your family. So this is just going to be a lot of fun. So there's a printable down below for you. Please use it. It is totally free, and that way when you're playing or practicing or if you're going to perform, you have all of the sheets right there in front of you. Also, if you're participating and you would like to share your progress on Instagram, use the hashtag, and that way I can find you, and then other people who are taking part of the challenge can find you, and then we can all have fun together. If you get stuck anywhere along the way or have any questions, make sure you drop a comment on the song that you're stuck on. That sounds really weird, but make sure that you comment on like the video corresponding to where you're stuck, and then I will get to you, or one of my moderators will get to you, or someone from this lovely community will answer that question. So trust us, we are here for you. Okay, so for this challenge, all you need to do is set up your uke zone and get the printable, and if you want to just use the hashtag or search for the hashtag. But that's it. It's really easy, really fast. So come back tomorrow and we will get started. I'm so excited!